About today I am going to discuss about no escaping closure in Swift. No escaping closure in Swift. So a closure is said to be no escaping. A closure is said to be no escaping when the closure is passed as an argument of the function to the function and is called by before the function and is called before to the function and is before to the and is called before to the and is called before to the function return and is called before to the function return. The closure is not used outside of the function. All closure parameters are not no escaping closure. All closure parameters are no escaping by default. No escaping by default. All closure are parameter by escaping by default. So we can create an example. We can consider our example. So we can create a func demo which have created name is then demo. Sorry, we can create a demo function with no escaping closure. Which have a parameter in pass of which have no return type and no parameter closure pass. So this is a check closure. We can create name is check closure, which is type of void and no return type is void. We can create a function body. We can create a print statement hello called function, and we can calling our closure is check closure called and return statement use. We can return statement. So we can return a closure is said to be no escaping when the closure is passed as an argument to the function and is called before the function return. Is called before the function return. Before the function return. The closure is not used outside of the function. All closure parameters are no escaping by default. We can use. So we can create a demo. So which have closure called with demo function no escaping closure. We can create a print statement hello called closure. So we can run check on this method and function. So we can call hello function and hello closure. We can create this comment on hello statement called hello called function is called which is not called on closure. Not closure. So a closure is said to be no escaping when the closure is passed as an argument to the function and is called before the function return. Called before the function return is called is no escaping closure.